Go to your browser and search for MEE6.xyz and you directly jump into official MEE6 bot website. Now click on login with Discord. Click on authorize and go ahead and log in here using your Discord account. And now select the server in which server you want to set up the MEE6 bot and make sure you are the owner of the server or you have the permission to add a bot. So I'm selecting my server in here, clicking on setup. You can also select a server from here, then click on continue. And here you can adjust permissions for the MEE6 bot in your server, then click on authorize. Ensure that you are not a robot. And we can see the MEE6 bot successfully added to my server. I'm going back to my server and here we can see the MEE6 bot already added to my server. And now if you want to go to MEE6 bot dashboard to control the bot, you can just go to the MEE6 XYZ and go to this dashboard link, and from there you will be able to easily handle the MEE6 bot. And we can see these all plugins are premium, so if you want to use the MEE6 bot in your server, you need to purchase the premium bot subscription. So that's we can actually set up MEE6 bot in our server. Thanks for watching.